How to make piping gel at home. Cake or piping gel is just gelatine and corn syrup. I'll show you. First, put 1 tablespoon of gelatine powder with 1 tablespoon of water and allow it to bloom for at least 2 minutes to absorb the water. Heat a saucepan on low and melt the gelatine. You can also do this in the microwave. Once melted, take the gelatine out of the saucepan and set aside in a bowl. Add 1 cup of glucose syrup and heat on low. Then add back the melted gelatine. Then add back the melted gelatine and stir until melted. Pour into a glass jar. As the gel cools, it will thicken. Store in the fridge. Piping gel can be kept for 2 weeks in the fridge. This is why the recipe is so small, as it doesn't last very long. You can use this recipe for my burn-away cake tutorial or any other wafer paper project, like my ruffle cake.